everybody, I am going to put the Sena HD speakers in my helmet. So it should be pretty easy, I would imagine. I'm just going to take out all my liner. Let's do that. Alright, the liner is out. My current speakers I held in with just gaffing tape. Open the box to the speakers. So the connection should be pretty easy. It just, I'll imagine we were just going to unplug this. I need to go get a small screwdriver. Alright, back with a small screwdriver, hopefully small enough. Alright. So what's odd is this one doesn't have a spot for the screw. See, this has something where the screw holds into it. Or the screw holds it in, I should say. It may come off here. Let's try this. It does come off. Cool. If I can get my big monkey hands to take it off. Anyway. Alrighty. Sure I can get it in there right. Be nice, it just slips the screw hole back and just comes off, slips off. Put the speaker back in its hole. Screw it back in place. This helmet already had like Velcro and the inside. This is the Ruroc 3 helmet. The shorter side goes nearest the Sena unit, then the longer one goes to the other side. I'm sticking the wires facing down. Then I'll go get some more, get my gaffer's tape. You guys probably don't have to tape this in. I just do to keep it all. I don't know. I just do.
I was found here. You come around here.
That'll be it. I think the rest of it will be hidden by the liner. Anyway, the speakers are in. Really, all you gotta do is unscrew the screw from the little, I guess, mounting piece. Plug your new speakers in and rerun them. So at this point, I'm just trying to stick my helmet back together. this is not really part of the install, so I hope this helped. Pretty easy to do. It'd take about, I don't know, 5 minutes after you get the headliner out, a couple minutes. You have the screwdriver. It's pretty easy. Alright, that's it. That is the HD speakers installed on a Sena 50S. Just remember to have a little screwdriver to do that. And it just pulls out. You take the little hold down off, you put it on your new one, and that's it. And we'll talk at you later.